let's make some gluten-free banana bread. Thank you for watching Chaos Entertainment, gluten-free and great tasting. Here are your hosts, Greg and Corine Helton. For your ingredients, the dry ingredients are 1 3/4 cup gluten-free flour. We do Bob's Red Mill 1:1. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. For the wet ingredients, you need 1/3 cup shortening or applesauce or 10 teaspoons of oil. 2/3 cup sugar. We're using coconut palm sugar today. 1 cup mashed ripe banana and 2 normal sized eggs. You will also need 1 greased loaf pan and also something to mix it in. You want to start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
We'll start with 1/4 cup of oil. 2/3 cup sugar, and we'll mix that up. And then we'll add in 2 eggs. Scrape down the edges. You want it to be well blended. Now we'll take 1 3/4 cups of gluten-free flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix that together quickly. We'll add about 1/3 of this into the bowl, into the mix that up. When the flour is incorporated, you'll add 1 banana. Okay, we'll add the next 1/3 of the flour. We'll be alternating the flour and the bananas until everything's incorporated.
Madame, the chime has rang.
We'll add the final bit of the dough, of the flour. Add in. Add the last banana. edges. Make sure you've got all the flour incorporated. This will look a little thinner than a regular banana bread batter because it is the gluten-free. You want to add just a little more liquid. Okay. Alright, now we'll grease a pan.
What is that?
It's canola oil cooking spray.
Careful, it comes out fast.
Scrape off your beater. You can use a regular mixer, hand mixer with this if you want. I just like maybe KitchenAid. If you don't want chunks of banana in, you can mash your banana ahead of time. Sit for 10 minutes so all the flour incorporates, and then we will bake it for 1 hour.
Let it set for 15 minutes before putting in the oven for 1 hour. Check after 50 minutes first. Let set in the oven for 10 minutes. Remove from the oven and place on a cooling rack to cool for 1 hour. Oh, that smells so amazing. Now all you have to do is slice and enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching this video.